Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to create hand fan mockup in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the hand fan. After make a perfect selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. So import the design. For that, go to File, Place Embedded, and import the design. And transform it to the hand fan size. Now create a clipping mask. And change that blend mode to multiply. Go to blending options. Move the white underlying slider to the left side. Break the slider by holding Alt and drag with click and move to the left side. And hit OK. Your hand fan mockup is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.